To be sure you never miss a Tech Ninja video, tap on the bell icon right next to subscribe. What's going on, guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're taking a final look at the Nokia Steel HR. This is a smartwatch that I've been using for about 3 months, tracking workouts and also tracking general activity. I've already covered most of the build, apps, and other features in the first 2 videos, which are linked down below. And I wanted to give you guys just a update as far as what I've been noticing, what I've been seeing, and how it's been working out for me over these past few months. Nokia Steel HR comes from Nokia's acquisition of Withings, and this spawned Nokia Health. The Steel HR is a modern take on a fitness tracker. Other fitness trackers on the market looks like fitness trackers, but this takes a different approach, giving you a watch with smart features, but not looking like a piece of tech, which in turn makes it look like a normal watch, meaning you're more prone to wear it on a daily basis and also when working out. I found during workouts it tracks everything pretty well. It gives me everything I need within just a few taps, but furthermore, when I'm wearing it out and about, I get things like texts and calls and also my steps, compared to other fitness trackers where I sort of feel weird when wearing them and I'm not working out. The Steel HR stays on my wrist when I'm going to sleep because in the morning I then have a detailed breakdown of my sleep. I can see how long I slept, the percentage of sleep. I can see when I got in bed versus when I woke up and how long it took me to get to sleep. Because sleep is extremely important, and if you're having sort of a sluggish day, you can look back at your sleep and see how you've been doing. You could then take a look at different days and kind of get an idea if it affected your workout, if it affected your steps, and see that if sleep actually impacts your energy level and overall activity for that day. All this syncs down to the application, which is located on my phone, and there I get the detailed steps. From here you can measure your progress and overall fitness using some of the graphs. It also ties into sleep, which is another part of fitness and overall health. It's nice to see no matter what activity you do, you're burning calories. So for example, if you go for a nice walk, hiking, shooting the basketball, anything you do, you are burning calories, which helps, and also you're being active. I found personally that the Steel HR gives me the data that I need, and it sort of gamifies my days by helping me reach fitness goal, whether that's steps, heart rate, activity, or even sleep. After about 3 months, it's nice to have a fitness tracker that has a battery that will last well over a month, water resistant, and something that looks like a classic analog watch. If you're looking for a tracker that can do all these things, then check out the Nokia Steel HR. My link is listed down below. As always, guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.